वेलकम बैक विद अनदर व्लॉग। मैं हूँ इस वक्त मोंटे कार्लो में एंड दिस इज़ माय शिप। सो दिस इज़ अ लंच ब्रेक हुआ है एंड आई एम गोइंग टू लुक फॉरवर्ड फॉर द कैरिफोर। Looking for a carrefour but it's very confusing. अभी मैं हिल पे जा रही हूँ। As you can see, I need to walk all the way to carrefour and I don't know. It's been a more than 15 minutes I'm walking and I still don't know where is the carrefour. I'm thinking to go back to the ship. After walk for 30 minutes, I got finally carrefour. I didn't shoot in carrefour because I have already lost a lot of time. Especially carrefour इतना confusing है इनका, इतना दूर है that you cannot even thought कि इधर भी carrefour हो सकता है. Now I'm going back to the ship. मैं ship से ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जाना चाहती because we have very limited time and I don't want to lose my way. I came back to the ship and it's 3 o'clock afternoon. I'm going to rest a little bit and go back to the shift again. So I'm going to see you next time. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself.